Hello again everybody and welcome back to the channel. John here with Knight in Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings and Detailing. Today we have an unboxing and setup video for the Vevor Z Creeper, or as I think I called it here at the end of the video, the 2-in-1 Stool / Creeper. I'm going to do a little bit of an unboxing here, show everything that's required to get it together, and then we're going to do a little test before hopefully seeing how well it lasts and showing real world use in a shop in a later video. As we unpack everything right here, got the instruction manual, we already unpacked the 6 wheels, little nut and bolts package, usual suspects here. So let's get to the rest of the unboxing part of this video. You got the 3 sections of the Creeper, or the Z Stool as it's called. Like I said, there's your nut and bolts package. And at first glance, this thing is decently put together. The fabric on the padding feels a little cheap or loose. But what the hell do you expect for less than 50 bucks? A lot of these Mac tools and Matco tools and Snap-on Creepers are well over $200. I'm not going to show the assembly here. I'll get it assembled and come back to you. Here we go. Here was the assembly. The assembly was actually really easy. You had the 6 wheels that you had to attach, and then you had the 4 bolts with locking nuts that you needed to install. The pin that's right here came pre-installed, which is what releases the mechanism to turn it from a creeper into a stool and vice versa. There's a little arm on there to keep you from going into creeper mode, from being a stool in case the pin isn't fully secured or in the lock position. All in all, this thing seems great at first glance and upon first assembly. Let's get it out here on the floor and see how it feels. Hello again. Now that I got my big butt down here on the floor, it feels nice, feels awesome. Get it up here and put it into stool mode, and it seems to feel good and all that good stuff. So we're impressed so far. No rating for it yet on the channel, but I will include a link to buy it in case anybody wants one. But there is a final thoughts segment that is coming up right now. Final thoughts section on the Vevor Creeper Stool all-in-one. For less than $50, you can't complain. It feels cheaply made in terms of the fabric that might be on the padding. We're going to ceramic coat it with BC1 since it's inside all the time. No sense using BC7, I believe is what we're going to do. We'll put out a follow-up video here in the upcoming months to report on how it's doing and whether we like it, if it's all right, or if we hate it. Once again, my name is John. We are Knight in Shining Armor Paint Correction, Ceramic Coatings and Detailing. I appreciate everybody watching our channel, subscribing to our videos, and all the feedback I'm getting from everybody, whether good, bad, or mediocre, of what you think the videos have rated and been and helped you or not helped you. Please give this video a thumbs up. If you like it, give it a thumbs down. If you don't, we will catch everybody in the next video. See y'all soon.